We're going to be doing another hosting review on a website called Namehero.com. Now, if you've seen my last competition with web hosting, I actually compared Namehero against 15 different competitors, and they performed in the top 3 bracket of the fastest and the most reliable web hosting. And I'll be showing you those results in just a little bit. But first, let's talk about the websites and basically talk about them and give a general overview of their pricing. So they do offer free SSLs, they do offer free migrations, they do offer free domains as well. Now, what they're known for is actually their reseller hosting. So for people who want to use WHMCS, such as like starting a web hosting business from scratch, they do specialize in reseller hosting. However, their shared hosting was among the fastest, in which I was very surprised. I mean, they're faster than Bluehost, GoDaddy, Hostinger, DreamHost, etc. So let's take a look at their shared hosting account. So here we'll go to compare plans and just kind of give you an overview about it. So what I like about Namehero.com as well is that they actually tell you how many people can handle the traffic, or how many websites can handle the traffic based off the visitors. Now, a lot of hosting companies say that it's unlimited, and that is simply not true. Any hosting company out there that says they offer unlimited everything is not truthful, because what they do is once you hit a certain amount of traffic, they throttle your website, they slow it down, and then they try to tell you to upgrade, which really sucks. So Namehero right here, they're very transparent. Just like SiteGround, they're very transparent. They tell you how many people can handle the servers, etc. So right here, you can see that they offer like the cloud. I think the cloud is probably one of the best ones, but looking at their Turbo Cloud as well, I mean, you get one free domain, unlimited SSD storage. They basically they give you unlimited bandwidth, CPUs, etc. Now, they do say unlimited, but again, remember, once you get to that certain point, they throttle you. But, Namehero is actually telling you how many people can handle the server. So they do offer quite a bit in their packages compared to a lot of other hosting companies. So I kind of think that these prices are very suitable. I mean, $10 a month for that kind of speed is simply incredible. And they tell you what you're getting, like a 1 CPU core, 2 CPU core, 3 CPU core. A lot of companies hide this information because they don't want you to see it, because they might be selling you something really expensive and giving you a really crappy server. And they do also have 24-hour customer support. They have a lot of other various features about it that I just thought was really good. They even have white label hosting. That's really interesting. And of course, they have tons of positive reviews. But now let's talk about their result of speed and reliability. So these were the results that I had for Namehero.com, and they performed among the best. In fact, they performed on the top 3 bracket of best web hosting companies against 16 different other hosting companies. So they were better than HostGator, InMotion Hosting, DreamHost, GoDaddy, even WP Engine. They were a little faster than WP Engine, so I was very surprised. And looking at these results right here, I was really confident in recommending them to my viewers, because I'm saying, well, before, I didn't really recommend them because I thought they specialize in reseller hosting, which is what they talk about. But after using their shared hosting, I was like, bro, why aren't you guys advertising this? You're not advertising shared, but you should be, because your servers were among the fastest hosting out of all these other competitors. So looking at companies like SiteGround right here, you can see that they are very similar to SiteGround. In fact, they are almost neck and neck as far as speed and reliability. So I can kind of recommend Namehero with confidence, saying, I do think they're a reliable hosting company. Now, looking at companies like GoDaddy right here, you're going to see that GoDaddy is just a little slower. So you can see that I recorded the results right here. You can guys see I recorded all their statistics. And now if we compare that to companies like Namehero.com, you can see that their average speed was 3 seconds and GoDaddy's was 3.8 seconds. So your site will load 1 second faster if you're using Namehero than companies like GoDaddy. So again, I just really want to congratulate Namehero for making it that far. Their speed was incredible. I had no idea that they were going to perform so well in my web hosting competition. If you want to see that video, there is a link below to watch that web hosting competition where I kind of compare 16 different companies against each other. So again, congratulations to Namehero for performing so well. I do officially recommend them as a web hosting for my channel. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully by now, if you have a really crappy server and you want to switch, go to Namehero.com. Check them out. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain, all right?